Good morning, this is Dwayne. Today I'd like to talk about chords over pedal point. Pedal point. Pedal point is a term that was originally used by organists because they would push down one particular pedal. Let's say they were in the key of F and they might push down a C on their pedal. And then over that C they would play different chords. That sort of thing. But of course you can use it in the piano by just using the same note of the left hand. Also called an ostinato bass, something like that. You see that I'm using the B flat chord and then the F chord and then the C seventh chord to get that. That kind of feeling, okay? But it can be used in all kinds of songs. For example, listen to this. You probably recognize that as Chariots of Fire. How about Over the Rainbow? I got a my left hand is basically the C, is playing a C chord. My right hand is varying between C, F, C6, then G, then back to C, okay? Let's take a jazz tune. That's called Green Dolphin Street. And notice that's C chord, C minor 7th over C, F minor 7th over C, D flat major 7th over C. Once more. Of course, you don't continue that forever, but you do it for a while to establish the feeling, okay? So this is just an idea for you to use. Sometimes try using a pedal point in the left hand with different chords over it and see what you get. Try it out on various songs. I just played, what, 4? I think I played Chariots of Fire, Over the Rainbow, Green Dolphin Street, and something else. Okay, so anyway, it can be done. So just an idea for you that are a little more advanced to try things like that. Thanks for being with me, and if you're not already signed up for our free series of videos and newsletters, come on over to playpiano.com and sign up for that. Thank you. Bye-bye for now.